Okay, gang, welcome to the StockPickProfits.com daily market update. So, we're just going to do a quick show today, and let me kind of fill you guys in what's going on with the page. So, we've revamped everything. We're ready to start rolling shows with all the bells and whistles like we did on Facebook. Some of our old viewers, AJ, Jeff, you guys, um, there's a bunch of you. Some of you are having trouble with the comments and stuff like that. We've got a solution for that. So on Sunday afternoon, I'm going to put out a YouTube video for the group, and it'll explain everything in detail for you guys, okay, on comments and the flow of the show and all that stuff, okay, gang? So sit tight. Let's do a little market review today. Let's talk a little bit about the stocks that we're in, and we'll call it a week and enjoy the weekend. And Sunday afternoon, as long as you're subscribed when we post the video, you'll be alerted, okay, gang? And that'll fill in all the blanks for you, all right? Because there's big things happening with us. So let's talk about the stock markets. How about that day today? Started out blood red. NASDAQ crawled back, almost got back to that 7,300 level, up about 10 points. The S&P 500 holding that 2,700 level real nice. It ended up a point, pretty much flat, but green nonetheless. And the Dow, after getting you-know-what kicked out of it all day, ended down just 63 points. So the big thing is the VIX, right? The VIX, we had a big pop this morning, right? It got as high as, I believe it got into the 17s, didn't it? Now, let me check here. Yeah, it got as high as 1763. And that's what we've been talking about, right, gang? On that VIX, if that trickle down keeps continuing from December 24th, there's no reason to believe that this rally is over, okay? Now, we had a little trade talk slip into the news cycle, and things got a little sketchy, right, yesterday and today. Well, guess what? It's all really innuendo and it's all rumor. So step back from it, okay? Stay with your charts, stay with your technicals, okay? Um, let's go ahead and hey, yay. All right, Greg is here. Yay. Awesome. Welcome, Greg. It's about time we got you back over here. So we're talking about the VIX, and the VIX, we popped up to 17 today, and it just came right back down below that 16, right back down into those 15s. It's still in that trickle down from December 24th when we had that huge capitulation. So, we'll stick with the trades. We opened up a new trade today. We opened up a trade in a cloud computing, cloud sector stock, CLDR, CLDR, for you guys following along, and we'll see how that goes. Now, we opened up some leaps on these. We went way out on these, and we're gonna give this some time to really work out. We like cloud software. We like the stock. It's priced real well at about 13 and a half. $14. And if you're following along, that's our current play. Now, we're still in Twitter. We bought it the day before the earnings report. Ouch. But we like the way it's handling. It seems to be basing around that 30. It seems to be okay. Now, a lot of what happened over the last 2 days was the memories of December, right? People are skittish right now. And then when all of a sudden, after 5 or 6 days of Jim Cramer coming out and saying, well, you should get this and you should do that and you do this, all of a sudden he's back on the table, pounding it and saying that everything's falling apart. Well, this is all based on the trade rumors, right? And we've been talking about this for weeks and weeks and weeks now. And we really got to a point where there's some serious negotiating going on and some serious moves towards a resolution. Now, in between this period and the end, we're going to get some silly news stories. It's just like today, CNBC most of the afternoon. The big headline was this: trade war headlines could get much worse before they get better. Really? Well, they could get much better before they get worse too there. Good job, whoever edits that page. So look, gang, like I said, Monday is going to be a huge day. Now, we've got big things happening. So all you regulars, AJ, Jeff, everybody from Facebook, that's having any problems with comments or finding a show and stuff, Sunday afternoon, the team is going to post a video on YouTube. If you are subscribed to the page, you will get an alert and you know. But if not, pop in and just check it out. It should be in there by Eastern time Sunday night. And this will tell you everything going forward. We'll have all the information on how to make sure that you're subscribed and all that stuff, and we'll get you guys situated. We'll get back rocking and rolling, okay? You guys enjoy the weekend. It was a good market week. Just like Greg said, it was a great week. We got some great opportunity there in that 2.5 days selling, where we could get some stocks really cheap. We got a little early on Twitter, but we figured, look, we went out kind of long on the play, better to be in, and we averaged into it a little bit to bring down our price, cost price. And better to not be chasing it when it's running, right? We just get in a little early and we'll manage the play from there. We're still in GE. GE had a little rough day today. It ended up closing at 981, but it's still basing right around that $10 level, and that chart's starting to look really good. Like I said, we'll be back. We'll have charts and all that stuff on Monday because I know you guys missed that and we miss doing them. So, look, gang, let's call it a week, okay? It was a good week. You know, we had a good start to the week as far as the markets went, and we had a little selling to start about Tuesday night, Wednesday. But it wasn't really dramatic, and it wasn't anything that destroyed charts or anything like that. It looks like just a normal pullback after a big rally. You got to remember, we're coming off 5 weeks of positive gains, and not just gains, big gains. So the market needs to rest a little, needs to digest a little bit. So look, gang, let's call it a Friday, okay? Thank you all for joining us. Don't forget, on Sunday, we'll put out a little informational video. On Monday, we are coming, and we are coming strong, okay? Full bore, double barrels, all that good stuff, whatever cliche you can think of. So, gang, you guys have a great Friday. You guys have a great Saturday, and you'll hear from us on Sunday. And Monday after the market, let's get back to some serious technical analysis and some serious tea leaf reading, okay? Other than that, guys, thank you for your support. Good to see you back, Greg. Awesome. We'll talk soon. All right.